Hi guys, welcome back to Tech with TJ. Today what I got for you is just a video showing off what I got for Christmas. Hopefully you guys can kind of see my shirt here. I got my Christmas shirt on, so yeah, let's get into it. Alright guys, so here is the first thing that I got. Just a cool little knife here. It's by the CJRB. I got this kind of I thought it was cool to be honest with you. Maybe to open some boxes, things like that. But yeah, it has just a little clip here if you wanted to clip it on like your jeans or whatever, but this is not real carbon fiber, it's just plastic. But yeah, the blade is really strong, it's really sharp, so I really like it. But yeah. Next item I got for you guys is this little tech pouch. Pretty nice. Kind of put some stuff in there to show you guys. So I got 2 charging blocks in there. All this is still, empty, as you can see. I got my USB-C cable and a battery bank. This is kind of typically what I carry when I go to like vacation, I guess, stuff like that, where it's, more about the family time than about like electronic stuff. So this just, gets me through charging my devices, nothing crazy. So this next thing is a 2 kind of piece thing. So these are the heat inserts. Let me maybe open it up here to show you guys. So as you can see, I got a ton of different sizes, things like that. And then to go with that, I got myself a soldering iron. I've never actually used one before, so that'll be interesting. I will be doing a project here soon that will require this, so a little sneak peek. But yeah, it's just pretty simple. Here's how you just adjust your temperature. Then right here you got your on and off switch, nothing crazy. And then yeah, you just plug it into the plug back there and then it works. Now last but not least, these are what I've really wanted. The CMF headphones. So these have, these are neat. They just have really good audio quality. I love their design. As you can see on the back, they have buttons, scroll wheels. These are not buttons. I always thought these were buttons when I first watched reviews and things like that. They're actually just microphones for the noise canceling and things like that. So if you were looking at getting them, just note that, yeah, those are just microphones. This is a bass boost slider. It works a lot. I will be doing a dedicated review about these. That's why I'm kind of being very brief. But so far, I really like these. Alright, so that's pretty much all I had. I just wanted to show off things that I got for Christmas. Like I said, I will be doing a dedicated review on the headphones. And I'll be using that soldering iron for some 3D projects coming up soon. But other than that, I mean, I don't think the knife or the tuck pouch needs its own dedicated review. I mean, unless you guys would like to see that, but I highly doubt it. Anyways, that's pretty much all I had for you guys today. Let me know in the comments, what you guys got for Christmas, because I'm interested of hearing. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.